All right, our lead story is this on your screens right now, which is about delimitation and the women's quota. Sonia Gandhi raises several red flags, says there is more than meets the eye. While addressing the Nari Shakti Vandan Sammelan in Delhi today, Prime Minister Modi said that the long-pending women's reservation bill is now moving closer to implementation and asserted that the reform will deepen democracy and accelerate women-led development.
कानून पारित हो लेकिन लागू न हो, ये सदन में किसी को मंजूर नहीं था और खास करके हमारे विपक्ष के सभी साथियों ने मुखर होकर के इस बात पर जोर डाला था कि 2029 में ये लागू होना चाहिए। 2029 की समय सीमा को ध्यान में रखते हुए सरकार ने, क्योंकि विपक्ष ने जो बात रखी थी हमारे लिए वो बात भी गंभीर होती है और इसलिए हम लगातार विचार विमर्श करते रहे, मंथन करते रहे, नए नए रास्ते खोजते रहे। संविधान की जिनको ज्यादा अध्ययन है ऐसे लोगों की भी सलाह ली और 16 अप्रैल से संसद में इस पर व्यापक चर्चा भी होने जा रही है। साथियों, हमारा प्रयास है और हमारी प्राथमिकता भी है, इस बार भी ये काम संवाद, सहयोग और सहभागिता से हो और मुझे पूरा विश्वास है कि जिस प्रकार से इस अधिनियम को पारित किया गया था और संसद का, सदन का गौरव बढ़ा था, इस बार भी सबके सामूहिक प्रयास से संसद की गरिमा और नई ऊंचाइयों को छुएगी। देश की हर नारी को भी अच्छा लगेगा कि हर दल ने राजनीति से ऊपर उठकर उनके हित में ये महत्वपूर्ण निर्णय लिया है, काम किया है।
The Prime Minister has written to all floor leaders informing them of a special session on the 16th, 17th and 18th of April while seeking cooperation for the implementation of the Women's Reservation Bill. Prime Minister Modi spoke about how the country was on the brink of creating history and highlighted the contributions made by women while stressing on its implementation in 2029.
हमने पीएम आवास योजना में घरों को प्राथमिकता के आधार पर परिवार की महिलाओं के नाम पर रजिस्टर करना शुरू किया। बच्चे स्कूल जाते हैं तो स्वाभाविक रूप से पिता का नाम लिखा जाता है, हमने आकर के शुरू किया मां का नाम भी लिखा जाएगा। बीते 11 साल में इस निर्णय का लाभ 3 करोड़ से ज्यादा महिलाओं को अपने घर का नाम, घर खुद के मालकिन बनी है। इससे आज घरों में महिलाएं भी आर्थिक रूप से सशक्त बन रही हैं। हमने जनधन योजना शुरू की तो देश की 32 करोड़ से ज्यादा महिलाओं के बैंक खाते खुले।
However, in an editorial today, Sonia Gandhi raised some questions, which of course echoes through the Congress party. And for me and for many people, the kernel of her argument was when she said, the issue is not about women's reservation, it is about delimitation. Sonia Gandhi said that while Adhiniyam introduced Article 334A in the Constitution, which mandated 1/3 reservation for women in the Lok Sabha and Vidhan Sabha, it was scheduled to come into effect after the completion of the next census and the census-based delimitation process, the next census being 2027. Sonia added that the leader of opposition in the Rajya Sabha, Mallikarjun Kharge, had forcefully demanded that a reservation provision be implemented from the 2024 Lok Sabha elections itself, which she said the government hadn't agreed to, and she found it mysterious why it hadn't to and has done a U-turn now completely. Sonia Gandhi also alluded to the fact that the PM was, she said in her words, bulldozing a special session of parliament when the election campaign in Tamil Nadu and West Bengal shall be at its peak, and which could have waited until one of the most crucial issues, and that, ladies and gentlemen, being caste census and how to tackle it, and which is linked to delimitation and which shall impact several states, particularly the South Indian states. She said that some formula for delimitation is being suggested, and this despite the caste census not taking place so far. She added that any delimitation involving an increase in the strength of the Lok Sabha must be politically and not just arithmetically equitable, and that and smaller states must not be placed at an absolute or relative disadvantage. Sonia Gandhi also highlighted that a similar reservation be also provided for women belonging to the other backward classes, that is OBCs, calling the special session politically and electorally motivated as well as deeply flawed. Sonia Gandhi called for deep reflection and debate on the issue. Let's listen in to some other voices on the issue.
ನೋಡಿ, ನಾವು ಈಗಾಗಲೇ ಆ ಮೀಟಿಂಗ್ ಏನು ಕರೆದಿದ್ದರು ಅದರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಅವ್ರು ಏನು ಲೆಟರ್ ಬರೆದಿದ್ರು, ಕಿರಣ್ ರಿಜಿಜು ಅವರಾಗಲಿ ಪ್ರೈಮ್ ಮಿನಿಸ್ಟರ್ನು ನನಗೆ ಬರೆದಿದ್ರು. ನಾನು ಈಗಾಗಲೇ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಉತ್ತರ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೇನೆ ಮತ್ತು ಎಲ್ಲ ಪಕ್ಷದವರಿಗೆ ಕರೆದು ಅವರು ಮಾತಾಡಿಸಿದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಭಾಗಿಯಾಗಿ ಸಲಹೆಗಳು ಕೊಡಬಹುದು. ಆದರೆ ಅವರೆಲ್ಲ ಪಕ್ಷದವರಿಗೆ ಕರೆಸೋಕ್ಕೆ ಒಟ್ಟಿಗೆ ತಯಾರಿಲ್ಲ. ಅದಕ್ಕಾಗಿ ನಾವು ಪುನಃ ಈಗ 15ನೇ ತಾರೀಕು ಆಲ್ ಪಾರ್ಟಿ ಮೀಟಿಂಗು ಸೇರ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇವೆ. ಆಲ್ ಪಾರ್ಟಿ ಮೀಟಿಂಗ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ನಿರ್ಣಯ ತಗೊಳ್ತೇವೆ ಅದು ನಾವು ಕನ್ವೆ ಮಾಡ್ತೇವೆ. ಅದು ಅಲ್ಲದೆ ನಾವು ಯಾರೂ ಕೂಡ ನಾರಿ ಶಕ್ತಿ ಅಥವಾ ವುಮನ್ ರಿಸರ್ವೇಷನ್ಗೆ ವಿರೋಧಿಗಳ ಅಲ್ಲ. ನಾವು ಈಗಾಗಲೇ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಯುನಾನಿಮಸ್ಲಿ ಪಾಸ್ ಆದಂಥ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಟ್ ಬಿಲ್ ಇದೆ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಅವರು ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಪೊಲಿಟಿಕಲ್ ಅಡ್ವಾಂಟೇಜ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋಕ್ಕೆ ಈ ಪ್ರಯತ್ನ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ನಾವು ಫುಲ್ಲಿ 1/3 ರಿಸರ್ವೇಷನ್ಗೆ ಮೊದಲಿಂದ ನಮ್ಮ ಸೋನಿಯಾ ಗಾಂಧಿ ಅವ್ರ ಅದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಮಾತಾಡಿದ್ರು. ನಾವು ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಈಗ ಪಂಚಾಯತ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಆಗಲಿ, ಜಿಲ್ಲಾ ಪಂಚಾಯತ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಆಗಲಿ, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಕಾರ್ಪೊರೇಷನ್ ಆಗಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲದರಲ್ಲೂ ಕೂಡ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೇವೆ.
The big questions that we are asking on this issue are: 1. Why link women's quota with delimitation now being the operative word? Will southern states lose their seat share, although Prime Minister Modi says that shall not happen? Should delimitation wait for the new census data or not? Is delimitation fair to population control states? Is timing tied to upcoming state elections in different parts, that is West Bengal and Tamil Nadu? Let's deep dive. I'm going to the guests now. Bhavya Narasimhamurthy, spokesperson for the Congress party, has joined us. Kalyana Raman, who's senior leader of the BJP, and S.S. Sriram, senior political analyst. A very, very warm welcome to all of you. Mr. Kalyan Raman, let me come to you, sir. What is the hurry? Let 2027 census be completed. You can't possibly have this entire exercise, because you see, once the 2027, one of the fallouts, there are other fallouts as well, it will reshape the representation, sir, because it could bring over 150 OBC women MPs into parliament by 2029. It is not so much about women's reservation. We all agree we require that. But to do it in a flawed fashion, because data is God. We live in that era. You know, what is the hurry, sir? First, when Mr. Kharge said 2024 you do it, he said okay. Then now suddenly it is all being hurried. Don't you think the data of 2027 is crucial, Mr. Kalyana Raman?
The census of 2027 is different from reservation for women in parliament, in simple words.
Right.
So, mixing both is illogical, unnecessary in principle. Okay. Now, when it comes to the question of Hari, there were at least 3 elections which are over: Assam, Kerala, and Pondicherry, and only 2 more are pending. So, in the given situation, whether it is going to have any electoral impact or not is a question to be answered. So,
UP still remains,
let
sir.
us not attribute
Sir,
too much to.
Kalyan Raman, sir.
Let us not attribute too much to the electoral gain
Sir,
out
look
of
at,
it.
sir, sir, you are a logical man, so I can ask you these questions. When Kharge said do it in 2024, at that time the ruling party was quiet. Now suddenly to get it done. And also, sir, with due respect to you, you know, the caste census is extremely important, because look at the other aspect of it. The Lok Sabha will be expanded. It will become expansive. It will become 800 plus. What happens to states like ours, your state and my state, sir? We have done very well on the demographic factors. We've controlled the population. But the other states, North Indian states like Uttar Pradesh and Bihar, they will have more seats. Look at the imbalance, sir. The imbalance in a vibrant democracy is one of the biggest problems. Bhavya, come in here. Don't you think, and I'm not playing politics here, I'm not going to, it's about you and I, women's, our representatives, Bhavya. Whether what Manikyam Tagore said, but Sonia Gandhi has raised some red flags. I am asking you, 2027 is right here. It's a caste census. Bihar has finished it. Telangana has finished it. You know, they have done it. Whether it's going to be digital or otherwise, another conversation. What is the hurry right now? The thing is that the mystery that is being created, when you don't have answers, then you look for conspiracy theories, Bhavya. Would you agree?
When a leader doesn't respect democracy and it's always my way or the highway, this is exactly what happens. It is important that he calls an all-party meeting after, you know, all the elections, the last phase of elections in West Bengal, talks to the opposition, because what is so urgent that he has to do it now, and April 16th in the special session, they have to discuss. Anyways, this will be implemented after 2027 data only, no, in 2029. All Ma'am Sonia Gandhi is asking is for a discussion after the election first, a proper debate and discussion. Even 73rd, 74th Amendment Act happened after a very long discussion, and that's exactly why it is such a successful policy today. It's such a successful amendment today. You can't just bulldoze, you know, in her own words, a policy which has such a big impact like this. And you were right when you spoke about delimitation. All 4 of us in this panel are from South India. Keeping our political alignment aside, don't you think?
To go to some breaking news,
really
Sriram, I'll come to you after the
injustice
breaking
towards
news.
South Indian.
Telangana Chief Minister Revant Reddy has launched a sharp attack as well on the centre over delimitation. He warned that the proposed exercise could widen the north-south divide and hurt the federal balance of the country. Reddy said smaller states and southern states stand to suffer the most if seats are redrawn purely on population basis, calling it a direct injustice to the south. Revant Reddy said such a move could damage the representation structure carefully built over decades. He warned that any step that weakens regional imbalance is not good for the survival of the nation. Listen in.
रिजर्वेशन रोटेशन, आप इतना महिला आरक्षण के लिए, महिला नारी शक्ति के लिए बोल रहे हैं ना, जितना सीट उत्तर में आप बढ़ा रहे, उत्तर भारत के महिलाओं को फायदा मिलने वाला है। दक्षिण भारत में महिला जैसा आपको नहीं दिख रहा है क्या? दक्षिण भारत में दलित आदिवासी आपको याद नहीं आए हैं? जितना सीट बढ़ेंगे उतना SC ST रिजर्वेशन भी बढ़ने वाला है, महिलाओं का भी कोटा बढ़ने वाला है। जितना सीट अभी बढ़ने वाले हैं उसमें SC एंड ST एंड महिला, उनका भी कोटा में विद इन द कोटा है। मतलब दक्षिण भारत में SCओं को, STओं को, महिलाओं को अन्याय करने के लिए भारतीय जनता पार्टी नरेंद्र मोदी जी आज कोशिश कर रहे हैं। तो इसीलिए हम लोग ये बयान देना चाहता हूं, मैं साफ साफ कहना चाहता हूं, दक्षिण भारत को आप अन्याय नहीं कर सकते।
So there you have it. The echo of the north-south divide is echoing through the nation, and it's based on data. It is based on what is called fair. It is based on what was promised. Like I said, the mysterious kind of thing about doing this, which political parties are saying, They have not been taken into, confidence. There should be a meeting, etc. There should be discussion. I'm not getting into the politics of who said, she said, he said. I'm only talking about the results. Let me get Sriram on the screen. Sriram, how can you base this on 2011 census, Sriram? Tell me something. The entire complexion of the country has changed. Would you agree? We are all people here who only believe in data. Show me the data, because God lies in details and in data. Now, the thing is that it's problematic. I think particularly when a new census is already underway, what is the hurry? You tell me, Sriram. Even COVID changed the complexion of this country. Please explain. I see the intent. He's being fair to us. But the point is, the method to the madness seems to be wonky. Arai, Sriram, on the screen, please.
Good evening, Sudhaji, to you and my fellow panelists. See, we had a 60-year of inefficient, party which was ruling this nation to its whims and fancies. All these things should have done long ago, and they have been just not been, doing the right thing. Now, whenever you do this, they will be questioned why now. Karnataka took, a caste census when this government was in power, much before the BJP. They spent 200 crores. Why did they not reveal the data then? Why did they not? They were using it for their whims and fancies or for their selfishness. They did not release the data. But why spend money? They only pay politics and nothing else. I am very conscious of the fact that southern states have done very well for population control. We are aware of it. And I'm sure this government, though the others call it fascist, will never do injustice to any state.
Sriram.
We will have to give that comfort to the Prime Minister or
Sriram,
to the government.
sure.
Just to bulldoze him.
Yeah, Sriram.
No, let me complete this, Sudha. They always play politics. Tell me in one thing which they were constructive were behind Mr. Modi, be it an international issue, be it an internal issue,
Agreed. Okay.
be it an issue, any one issue as this government or this opposition as it stood behind Mr. Modi.
Right.
They are only there to oppose him, nothing else.
All right, Sriram, I heard you, but I'm saying just because you want to do something and deliver on what was denied to us for years, there has to be a scientific, empirical method to it. If you tell me that find out if the milk is hot or not, I can't put my finger in just because I want to answer you immediately. I'll burn my finger. Bhavya, come in here. Bhavya, come on. Thank you.
So why wasn't 2021? Yeah, I am. Can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am. I think we've lost connection to Bhavya unless Sheila Kalyanaraman, sir. You also wanted to come in, sir? Please, sir.
See, they are creating a ghost out of nothing
Yes, sir.
and talking about delimitation at this point of time. We are not talking about delimitation at this point of time. So when we are not talking about delimitation at this point of time, there is no point in raising an issue out of nothing. If Revanth Reddy, I was just surprised how a chief minister can assume a ghost and get scared of a ghost that he himself has created or the Congress has created. So when there is no such thing like delimitation happening at this point of time, there is no point talking about it. Nor there is a proposal in place already that is to be talked about. Number two is that we are talking about proportional increase. That means if there are 80 seats in Uttar Pradesh, we are talking about increasing it to another 40 and then giving those 40 to the women, within which the women of SC, ST will have their representation. So that amounts to social justice by default. So given the fact that it is only proportional increase, no state is going to be affected by the increase, if any. So when the matter is discussed before the Lok Sabha, when it is not affecting any state's numbers, why should people?
But sir, Kalyanaraman sir, do you agree that if the caste census, it is underway, sir? We are looking at 27, sir. Don't you understand? I mean, don't you, sir, sorry, don't you concede, sir? Don't you concede that it will change the complexion of the parliament, sir? It will change the complexion of the women. And most importantly, it will change the complexion because of the OBC women members, sir. How can we keep them out and say we are doing it now? We will do it later. And also, Mr. Kalyanaraman, there seems to be some method.
Rationalized, what a big deal about it. They need to be given their due, which has been pending for a long time.
What did you say?
The women reservation bill had been already passed.
Sir, what
it is a question of a formality to be
Sir,
completed.
why did you say
when it
big?
comes
That
to
the method, sir, it's a big deal. The method to it is very, very important. Sriram, sir said it's a big. What
method is being called for
No,
on
sir,
the
it's a
16th.
flawed method. I'm
You are
asking
opting
you,
for
sir.
a
I'm not.
method
You
through
are
the
saying it's
parliament.
not a big deal. Someone is saying, we all concede that the man on the screen has done what it takes. But we can all in a democracy ask questions or not. And that's exactly, I don't care about the Congress, the CPIM, the DMK or anyone. I'm only asking questions to experts who are students of political science in more ways than one. Sriram, there is also a thing about that some method of delimitation will be applied. You know, that rankles. That rankles. Don't you, because I'm sure, Sriram, you'll agree that once the census is done, we will know how many of you, how many of me, how many of X, Y, Z. Sonia Gandhi, of course, talks about the OBCs here also. I am asking you that the very complexion of women as a bloc will change. Where is 543 and where is 812 odd? Sriram, I am saying he could have waited. Now, if you say, no, it's the need of the hour. May I ask, what is the need of the hour, sir? It's not a...
So obviously, see, we can always try to tie this to something or the other. But where are we going to do this is what is the question. I mean, 60 years or even 20 years or 18 years that this Congress was there, why did they not think of all these things at that point in time? When someone decides, when someone starts doing it, why do you come and put all your brains now and say, this is not there, that is not there? And to talk for women, Congress has the least qualification, because we have just seen Hasina Syed, who is an All India Congress Committee, General Secretary from Tamil Nadu, has quit this party, citing that women are not being treated well or women are not being represented well. Even in BJP Tamil Nadu, out of the 28 seats that the Congress has got, they have given only one women candidate, vis-a-vis BJP has given 5 women in the current Tamil Nadu Assembly. Their own party, All India Committee General Secretary Hasina Syed, is what she had to say, and she has left the party. Now, this party can't do anything good for the country, neither they will allow other party to do something
Can I
good to the
speak?
country. Let them be the bystanders. The Prime Minister would look at the country as a whole. He doesn't have favoritism towards North or South. He has people of India that matters to him, and we will have to wait the patience to do what needs to be done.
Sure.
So Congress has no
Can I
local standing
please
to talk about
respond?
Prime Minister or the Women's Reservation Bill. Take Hasina Syed on the call now. She will talk about this party.
Yeah, but I'm not going to take individuals. I've read about Hasina ji,
suspended.
but that is nothing, it's not tied up to one political party. We know the situation, Sriram, about most political parties. From the RJD to the DMK, to AIDMK, to VCK, I can go on and on and on, and TVK. So that is one individual thing. If you say that they have done injustice to the women of the country, I take it. Sriram, also the method, also the methodology of reservation for women is not clear at all. It's not clear at all about how the rotation will happen and what will happen. Bhavya, please wait your turn. Let me finish with Sriram, sir. So the thing is that the operational aspect of it is also not. See, Sriram, Kalyan Raman sir, the problem is not. The problem is that it is mired, the method. It's like me getting a card. Will I have to go alone, or they will require my husband, or they will require my grandfather's name attested? Where will I go? So it's about that. It's like a red tapeism. That's what. When there is darkness, there are questions. The fear is only of the darkness, sir. It's never of light. And I know the Prime Minister is wanting to do what has been denied according to you and Kalyan Raman sir. Come on in, Bhavya. Thank you.
Sriram sir, with all respect, I'm hoping with your experience, you know that there is something called due process, there is something called constitution, there is something called democracy. One person at his whims and fancies cannot do things like that.
Talk about democracy. I think you are not born.
Why are you interrupting me, sir? I did not interrupt you. I expect the same courtesy from you. I expect the same courtesy from you.
You please talk about the issue, but not about democracy.
Please do not interrupt. With
No,
all
it is not a question of interruption. I want you to correct yourself. You were not even born probably when the emergency was implemented.
Can you
and how undemocratic it was, how dictatorial.
Hello,
it
hello,
was.
hello. I have to
You
come
should
in.
know it.
I have to
When
come
you
in.
don't know the history of
Please
your own
come
party,
in. I think
don't talk
I
about
think
something
none of us
about which you don't
none
know.
of us were
Don't
born
talk
when we
about
got independence.
democracy.
Let's not
You
be
don't have any
condescending
right to
towards
talk
young
about
people,
democracy.
sir.
was okay.
Sorry, sir.
You talk about the issue, I am fine with it. Don't talk
Let's
about
not be
democracy.
condescending
You
about
don't have
age
even an
here.
iota of right to talk
Kalyan
about
Raman, sir.
democracy.
To say that you were not even born is not right, sir.
Kalyan Raman, sir, have some courage to listen to the
Bhavya, go
opposite
ahead. We are
side.
Bhavya.
Have some
No, please
courage,
read your
Kalyan,
history
sir. Do
before
you
you
people
talk
do not
about
Bhavya
have the courage?
Narasimha
Do
Murthy,
not
history.
go
interrupt.
ahead.
Do not interrupt.
Yeah, go ahead.
How can I speak?
Yeah, go ahead, Bhavya. Is Bhavya there or she's left?
So I understand. I am here. Please ask him not to interrupt me.
Again, you're
Because
saying
the
this,
time
Bhavya.
I
If you
get it,
keep
first
saying,
of all-
no, you are wasting time by saying the same thing, Bhavya ji.
You
Just
kept quiet when he was interrupted. When
Sir.
I interrupted, you asked me to keep quiet. Now
No,
when
sir.
I'm speaking, he didn't let me speak for more
sir,
than 2 minutes.
ma'am, I said don't be condescending.
Now, going
Go on.
ahead, going ahead. There is something called due process. There is something called democracy. After this delimitation, if you're talking about delimitation, and if you're saying based on census 2011, what about, why didn't you do the census in 2021 then? What about the population increase in various community then? And why did, if you were so concerned about women, of giving opportunity to women, why didn't you do that in 2024? What was stopping you? Why did you even bring delimitation in the first place? Women constitute 50% of the population. We asked for only 30%. What stopped you back then? All your actings and all your,
What stopped from
trying
Congress
to
from not
use
doing
this
this?
for your election gimmicks, it's not good. One second. I am not saying
Answer
we
to
are
that
being
question.
the messiahs. You are portraying Narendra Modi to be a messiah. That's it. That's why I'm asking you what stopped you in 2024.
He is the
Why
messiah.
did you implement it?
He is the
Why
messiah.
did you put up the condition of
Why did you
delimitation
not
then?
do this for
Yeah,
60
it might
years?
be for you.
Okay, all right.
It might be
Okay,
for
okay.
you.
This
It
is
might
not.
be
No,
for
no.
you.
I'm not
You
allowing.
might
No,
be
no, 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 no.
power.
I don't allow this on my
He is
show.
a
You were in
public
power. What
servant
stopped
for
you
me.
from
Bhavya.
doing this?
Public servant for me.
Sir.
He might be a messiah for you. He's a public servant for me. The country has elected him. Country is paying him to work.
So, as a public
You
servant,
don't
what
have to
did
work.
what
You
did you
don't
all
have
do?
to work.
Holding this
Alright.
country for
Can we
60
get back?
years.
He's supposed to
What
serve the
service did you
country.
do?
All right,
He's-
we'll get back
he's
to this
been
debate,
paid
and I think
to
we should
serve the
focus on
country.
this debate.
Worship him at your house.
Bhavya?
Worship him at your house, Sriram sir. Do not make him a messiah in the country where we follow
Sir, he
democracy.
is the messiah across the
He's
world.
just a public
Not just the
servant.
country.
No, no. I think it's. I think
The
we are all
world looks
derailing the
orange.
debate.
The world
Kalyan
doesn't
Raman,
look
sir.
at Rahul
I will
Gandhi.
come to you,
The
Kalyan
nation
Raman,
doesn't
sir.
look at Rahul Gandhi.
Kalyan
Sorry
Raman,
about
sir.
it.
Please, Kalyan Raman, sir, on the screen.
not a
Because
messiah.
we are derailing the debate. Please, ladies and gentlemen, we need to get back to what we were saying, whether he's a messiah or not. Individual opinions, we shall keep that out. You know, let's, Kalyan Raman, sir, I want to ask you that the only appeal which is being made by opposition parties, sir, is that let us have a discussion and a debate. They feel 16th, 17th, 18th is too close to call. And it really has sprung a surprise on them because for the past few months or other years, delimitation has been an issue. Although Mr. Modi recently said, I think in the first week of April, that it's not going to impact the southern states, but it's not been convincing. Mr. Modi, being a man of logic and reason, according to you and a lot of other people, don't you think he should take the opposition into confidence and then surge forward, Mr. Kalyan Raman?
I think Bhavya was talking about due process. The due process is nothing but circulating a draft before whoever the parliament members are, and then the matter is being discussed. And the same had been already done. If Bhavya doesn't know about it, she must know about it now, at least.
Oh, can I,
And
can
the
I
3
tell you
days.
what the due process
Will you
is?
please stop
So
now
I'm an
and listen
all-party
to me?
meeting. No,
Will you please stop now and listen?
I'm going to show
Will
you
you
a
please-
mirror. It is about
And-
calling an all-party meeting.
And this
after
great
the election,
Bhavya had
after the last
spoken
phase
about
of election,
2021
making sure
census
the
why it was not
opposition
carried out.
gives its view.
One
gives
must
its
have
view.
some amount
You
of
are talking
sense.
to a party
One must
spokesperson
have some
which has
amount
brought
of
in
sense
73rd and
talking about a
74th
period in
amendment,
which
where-
COVID was
where
a major
15
issue
lakh
and
women
no
are
census
today
can take
elected
place. If you don't know simple
15
logic,
lakh
if you
women
don't know simple
elected
history,
representatives. We know
like
how to make it happen.
your own dirty
You
history,
are here
better
only
you
to
keep quiet,
repackage stuff.
not to
That's
participate in
exactly
debates
why
of
you
this
are
kind,
so
where
hollow
there
in
is a
your
decent amount
policies.
of knowledge
All your
is
policies are
warranted,
such a
knowledge is
disaster.
important.
We
If
do
you
not
want to debate,
this policy
please
to be
go
a
through certain
disaster.
documents
We want
before you
women
talk
to be
about it.
represented
Have some knowledge
from
about
all
history,
communities.
have some
Women
sense,
Okay,
have some
okay, this
logic.
to be
is.
represented,
I
and
can
that's
If you
imagine
don't know
what
the
the
sense,
Sriram,
logic or
what the
knowledge,
discussion will
based
be
on
on
some
16th,
history,
17th,
you
and
are
18th.
unfit to participate
This
in
is like
debate.
a precursor, like a curtain raiser. I just wanted to know if there is a method to this madness. Opposition will always see some kind of a political gimmickry or an intent, and I think the ruling party needs to say, all I wanted to know, is there a method? Why hurry it up? 2027 is actually knocking at our doors.
There is a method. There is a method in place.
I have to wind
It is
this
just
up,
that
sir.
the congressmen don't know about it.
Yeah,
Let them come
right.
before the
Sir,
parliament,
Okay,
have
okay.
a
I
discussion.
have to thank you
They
very
don't
much.
understand, then you raise an issue.
Bhavya, Narsimha Murthy, thank you very much for joining me. Kalyan Raman sir and also Sriram.